Good morning, grade 4, and a warm welcome to the maths class. Well, children, today our learning objective will be division by 10, 100 and 1000. Children, we have done this multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. What I've seen is there's lots of mistake and I think there is some confusion. So that's why I've taken this topic again, division by 10, 100 and 1000. Just remember some simple rules, children. Okay? When you divide, just remember this. Okay? If we divide by 10, remember that you will strike 1 0. Strike is cut. Okay, so you're going to cut 1 0. Okay, now if we divide by 100, okay, you're going to strike 2 zeros. Okay, right? Now if we divide by 1000, you're going to strike how many zeros, children? 1000, 3 zeros, so 3 zeros. Right? Children, just remember this. If we divide by 10, strike 1 0 because there's 1 0. If you divide by 100, strike 2 zeros. There are 2 zeros here in 100. And if you divide by 1000, you will strike 3 zeros because there are 3 zeros. Okay. Now let's move to some examples. Let's take this number 830. 830 divided by 10. Okay. Now children, if you want it more simpler, what you do is, so that you're not confused, you just do this. You can always use your working column. Right? So what we need to do, what did we say? We need to strike 1 0. So simply your answer is 83. Right? Okay, another example. Let's take, this is your example 1. Let's take an example 2. Let's take 92, that is 9200 divided by 100. Okay, what do we do, children? When you divide by 100, you strike 2 zeros, right? So as I said, you put it, let me write this like this. So let me put this numerator, denominator. Okay, you put this like this so it becomes simple for you. So you have to strike 2 zeros, children. So what's your answer? Simple. Let's go to a third example. Think of some number, children. Let's take 5000. And we'll divide this by 1000. Now children, 1000 means how many zeros you're going to strike? 1000 has 3 zeros, so you need to strike 3 zeros, right? So 5000 by 1000. Strike 3 zeros. What's your answer? 5. Simple. Okay, let's see the fourth one. Let's take some big number. 6,000. Let's take it 62,400. Okay. Divided by 10. Come on children, now you tell me. First you put this up and the number to be divided, you will keep it down. Now children, see here, this is 10. It is 10. So when it is 10, what do we do? Strike 1 0. So strike 1 0. So what's your answer? Simple. Okay, let's take a little tricky one. Let's take 60,000 divided by 1,000. Yes, I know some of you will do it straight away. Children, just count the zeros. Some of you are so quick that you make mistakes with the 0. Okay, just count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1,000. Yes, so what's your answer? Yes, let me use another pen. Your answer will be, can you see? 60. Why? Because it's by 1,000. So when it is 1,000, how many zeros, children? 3 zeros. So your answer is 60. Right? Okay. A last example. Let's take 6th one. This is, so let's take 58,000 divided by 100. Come on. Yes, 58,000 by 100. Correct? 100 means how many zeros, children? Yes, 2. So what will be left? So what's your answer? 580. Simple now, children. Just remember these rules, children. You will not go wrong. Just remember this. Divide by 10, strike 1 0. Divide by 100, strike 2 zeros. Divide by 1,000, strike 3 zeros. And the mistake, children, what you do is just see the zeros. Okay? How many you have to strike and how many you are writing. Some of you are in such hurry that you are lost how many zeros you are writing. Okay? So this is what I seen. Most of you all were doing this mistake. So that's why I repeated this, children. So children, let's move to something else now. Division by 10, 100 and 1,000. I hope you do it well and I don't find any mistakes. This was, children, from here, this chapter of yours, that is page 2323. Multiplication, you all are okay. Division, okay.